just made it to my little hotel, and now I need to order my Uber and go to my appointment. I scheduled to get my hair fixed because I feel like I have like a mullet. Like, I'm fine with my hair being short, but the way that she cut it, it's like, I don't know. Like, I'm loving my curls right now. Like, my curls are really coming through, but I don't know. Why do I look like I have a mullet right now? So hopefully they'll be able to kind of like help me. But like, can you see the curls? My curls are like really coming in, but I'm not loving the way that my hair looks, so I'm in my hotel. It's a cute little basic hotel. The view is of the city. Now off to my appointment. It looks so much better. Literally so much better. Eating alone. Then I kind of got over that. But now I'm trying to challenge myself to like record more of myself in public, and it's still really awkward, but I'm challenging myself. So good, thank you. Man, look how like bougie this looks. And these like trees are insane. Man, look at that house back there. You can't really see it, it's all hidden, but that's a huge house. I feel so happy right now. I'm just like out exploring. And it feels so peaceful here. This is really cool. There's no way that this is somebody's house. But I think it is. You can kind of see the like background of it. This is massive. How this guy does this. This is insane. Oh, I feel like my hair looks so much better. I don't even know how to describe it, but it was like really feeling like I was having a mullet, because she had made so many like layers right here in my face, and then the like back of my head was like no layers and just like super long. So it was like I don't know, it's fixed. I kind of realized that as much as we have these external pieces of us, like our skin, our hair, our clothes, they play such a big part in like your self-confidence, which I am learning how to have positive self-confidence without it being like related to my appearance, but I needed to get my haircut fixed because I feel like I just look more like me now. I'm happy. Now I'm gonna go work on this week's vlog and then probably get in bed early because my flight leaves tomorrow. So I just ordered room service because all I've eaten today was that little sandwich, and I'm feeling so dehydrated and hungry, so I got a watermelon juice because I'm dehydrated. This is dal tadka. I say everything wrong. Paratha, butter paratha, and green salad. Everything looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. Oh, so grateful for this. Okay, I'm off to check out and then get into my Uber and go to the airport. I'm so freaking annoyed. I spent all last night trying to upload the video and still no success. I've literally tried like everything. I don't even, oh, I'm so annoyed at this stupid app right now. Off to the airport. I made it to my place. I'm all settled. This is the next morning. I'm about to wake up, get ready, shower, and hopefully upload my vlog today because yesterday was a test, but I'm pushing through. But I'm so happy to be here.